Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds. And the first one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And right here at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect the second one right here. And we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one option is to use an adapter and USB-C cable, what look like this. So connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your charging case. And we can also see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to sorry. And leave a like on the video. See you later.